A rainforest walk to Brushbox Falls. Subtropical rainforests of the Border Ranges National Park in New South Wales are found on the western outer rim of the Tweed caldera. Mount Warning or Wollumben is the central core of this huge extinct shield volcano. The fertile soils and high rainfall produce an abundance of strangler figs, buttress trees, hanging vines, palms and ferns, in the gullies and along the creek lines of Sheep Station Creek. In this video, we continue further along the palm forest track to reach Brushbox Falls. It lies inland southwest of the Gold Coast, a 120-kilometre drive from Byron Bay and 31 kilometres north of Kyogle. Once we reached Sheep Station Creek, we crossed to the opposite side, past huge fallen trees, and followed the path along the bank. The cleared space enables young trees to spring up, and some resilient trees continue to produce new growth, reaching for the sunlight even when knocked over. The spores from staghorns and bird nest ferns land and take hold among the roots of the bungalow palms and buttresses. Beside the path is this enormous tree which has been taken over by vines and a strangler fig. The flowers of the strangler fig are hidden inside the fruit. The female fig wasp burrows in, lays her eggs and pollinates the flowers. After the young hatch and mate, only the females leave the fig while the males remain entombed. The walk is aptly named as there is an abundance of palms at different stages of growth, lining both sides of the creek. Considering the steepness of the terrain and the dense growth, the ingenuity of the cedar getters to cut and transport timber from this area in the 1880s was remarkable. We finally arrive at the viewing platform for the picturesque Brushbox Falls. There is a large waterhole at the base, and brushbox trees in the surrounding area give the falls their name. You can continue along other tracks from this point, but we head back to Sheep Station Creek Campground on the Palm Forest Walk, which is sometimes called the Palm Valley Track. Many different fungi break down the fallen wood and leaf litter, providing nutrients for the forest's growth. The epiphytes that grow on trees are harmless to their hosts. They are entirely self-sufficient for water and nutrients. Rodney has included many in this rainforest painting. As we steadily climb, the vegetation changes and we pass through the dry eucalypt forest, which is less humid and more open. As we leave and head south from the border ranges, the landscape changes to undulating hills, gentle creeks, and farmland. I hope you have enjoyed these 3 videos on our day trip to Sheep Station Creek in the New South Wales Border Ranges National Park. Join us on our next adventure at Deborah Brown-IT5LN.